Hey there, Science Express fam! Ever wondered how we're literally printing the future? Yeah, you heard me right. Today let's dive into the mind-blowing world of 3D printing. But before we get started, make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Alright, let's get into it. So what exactly is 3D printing? Imagine having a magic wand that can create almost anything you dream of, layer by layer. That's basically what 3D printing does. This super cool tech uses digital designs to produce physical objects one layer at a time. It's like building something with Lego bricks, but on a whole new level. Now here's the science bit. 3D printers use materials like plastic, metal, or even bio-inks made from living cells. They take the digital blueprint, that's a 3D model from your computer, and turn it into reality by laying down material layer after layer. It's called additive manufacturing because you're adding material instead of cutting it away. Pretty neat, right? Imagine you're printing a cool model of your favorite superhero. The printer's nozzle moves back and forth, laying down hot, melted plastic like icing on a cake. It solidifies and voila! Your superhero comes to life, layer by layer. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on the size and complexity of the design. But wait, there's more. 3D printing isn't just for making toys or gadgets. It's revolutionizing industries all over the world. In medicine, doctors are printing custom prosthetics, and even organs. Engineers are creating aerospace parts that are lighter and stronger. And in fashion, designers are crafting unique, intricate clothing pieces that are out of this world. And that's not all. 3D printing is also helping to solve big global issues. Think about sustainable housing. Companies are now printing entire houses using eco-friendly materials. This tech allows for rapid construction at a lower cost, which could be a game changer for affordable housing. Amazing, right? So, next time you hear about 3D printing, remember it's not just some sci-fi concept. It's happening here and now, changing our world in incredible ways. If you're fascinated by this tech, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and drop a comment below about what you'd love to 3D print. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Science Express and ring that notification bell for more awesome science content. Catch you in the next video.